Imagine diving headfirst into the heart-pounding thrill of the Olympics, not just as a spectator cheering from the sidelines, but as a participant rubbing shoulders with legends who've conquered peaks and podiums alike. That's the electrifying promise of Airbnb's newest venture for Milano Cortina 2026, and trust me, it's about to redefine how we connect with the games. But here's where it gets really intriguing. These aren't your average fan meet and greets. They're immersive adventures designed to make you feel like part of the Olympic family. Launched today by Airbnb, the worldwide Olympic partner, these Olympian and Paralympic experiences unite 26 athletes hailing from 7 diverse countries, spanning more than 15 different sports, to offer unforgettable opportunities that bridge the gap between fans and their heroes in ways you've probably never imagined. Picture this: instead of just watching the action on TV, you could be whipping up gourmet dishes in a cooking class led by Olympic gold medalists, carving through fresh powder on ski expeditions with world champions, unwinding in luxurious spa sessions, or gliding on ice alongside skating icons. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. These experiences even include attending exclusive ticketed events in high-adrenaline sports like skiing, curling, figure skating, and ice hockey, where you'll sit courtside or slopeside with acclaimed athletes, turning the Milano Cortina 2026 Games from a distant spectacle into a deeply personal journey. Delving into the specifics, the lineup shines a spotlight on Italian sporting royalty, featuring perks like a private speed skating workout with Arianna Fontana, the 11-time Olympic medalist who knows every icy twist and turn, a rejuvenating spa retreat alongside biathlon world champion Dorothea Wierer, a hands-on cooking tutorial with 3-time Olympic gold winner Deborah Compagnoni, who, as a photo in the article suggests, brings that authentic Italian flair to every lesson, and the privilege of witnessing a thrilling Paralympic wheelchair curling match up close with Amos Mosener, the Olympic mixed curling champion. It's all about celebrating the spirit of Milano Cortina 2026 by transforming passive viewing into active involvement, helping newcomers to the Olympic world grasp how these events blend athletic prowess with cultural immersion. But here's the part most people miss. This isn't just about homegrown talent. A constellation of global superstars is joining the fun too, inviting guests to join Olympic figure skating sensation Nathan Chen in Milan for the pairs and women's free skate finals. Think of it as a front-row seat to grace in motion. You could also hit the legendary Stelvio slopes in Bormio with Felix Neruda, a 3-time Olympian whose expertise makes every downhill run an exhilarating lesson in precision and power. For families seeking wholesome winter magic, there's a delightful snow day outing in Livorno with Perrine Lafont, the 5-time freestyle skiing world champion, complete with tricks and turns that could inspire the next generation of athletes. Or, catch the women's downhill final in Cortina alongside Tessa Worley, the 2-time world champion, whose insights add layers of strategy and excitement to the event. These experiences are up for grabs starting November 18th, with a symbolic price tag of just €26 per person, making elite access surprisingly democratic. They'll unfold from February through March 2026, timed perfectly around the games to let you experience the buzz before, during, and after the main events. For full details and to secure your spot, head over to airbnb.it/MICO2026. It's a testament to how technology and tourism can democratize dreams, but, and this is where things might stir some debate, does pricing these exclusive moments, at such a low entry point, truly make them inclusive? Or is it just a clever marketing ploy that benefits big brands like Airbnb more than everyday fans? We'll get to that in a bit. Now, zooming out to Airbnb's broader role in Milano Cortina 2026. As a worldwide Olympic partner since 2019, Airbnb is all about crafting travel that empowers economies, fosters social connections, and champions environmental care. For this edition of the Games, they're ramping up accommodation options across the host regions, creating jobs and opportunities for local communities. Think of it as boosting small businesses in charming Italian towns. Plus, they are supporting athletes with travel grants and credits to ease their journeys, and they're investing in a lasting legacy through eco-friendly tourism initiatives, backing projects like Generation Sport in Milan and restoring the historic Mas Svigarelli Velodrome, which could serve as a community hub long after the medals are handed out. It's a holistic approach that ties Olympic spirit to real-world impact. But, and here's a controversial angle worth pondering, is this commercialization of the Games diluting their purity? Or is it a necessary evolution to keep them accessible and exciting in a modern world? For instance, while grants for athletes sound generous, critics might argue it shifts focus from grassroots sports to sponsored spectacles, potentially alienating those who can't afford even the €26 fee. What do you think? Are these Airbnb experiences a game-changer that brings fans closer to Olympic magic? Or do they risk turning the Games into a pay-to-play extravaganza? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree that sustainable tourism is the way forward? Or should the Olympics prioritize free, public access over exclusive partnerships? Let's discuss.